Welcome to our channel Products Square Online. Product details: name. Electric toothbrush, Oral-B Pro 7000 SmartSeries Black Electronic Power Rechargeable Toothbrush with Bluetooth connectivity powered by Braun. Product features: 1. Real-time feedback with the Oral-B app focuses brushing on your most important areas, tracks habits over time, motivates with helpful oral care tips, and senses when you brush too hard. A full charge can take up to 24 hours. 2. Made of different high-tech materials like silicone. Cross-action round brush head with perfectly angled bristles for a precise clean. 3. Clinically proven superior 3D cleaning oscillates, rotates and pulsates to break up and remove up to 100% more plaque than a regular manual toothbrush. 4. Rechargeable with 6 modes: daily clean, gum care, sensitive, whitening, deep clean, and tongue cleaner. 5. Speed up to 800 brush movements per second, features specially designed seals and gaskets keep the Oral-B 7000 water tolerant to 500 millibars of pressure, and it removes 300% more plaque along the gum line than a regular manual brush. 6. Amazon replenishment enabled. With replenishment, this toothbrush will automatically place an order for brush heads when it's time for replacement, so you never run out. Product description: the Oral-B 7000 SmartSeries with Bluetooth comes with 2 cross-action brush heads, our most advanced brush head with precision-angled bristles. Also included are 1 Pro White brush head for a wider smile from day one, 1 floss-action brush head for sweeping away plaque, and 1 sensitive clean brush head to help fight sensitivity. So you can get the clean you need, every time. And if you have other oral health needs, like cleaning around orthodontics, the Oral-B 7000 SmartSeries is compatible with every brush head. Oral-B makes a revolutionary new way to take care of your oral health. The 7000 SmartSeries with Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity not only removes more plaque but also eliminates doubt. Simply download the Oral-B app on your smartphone and connect with Bluetooth to get real-time feedback on your brushing habits. It's the one power brush that actually communicates while it cleans, so you won't wonder if you're getting a superior clean. You'll know. Brush the dentist recommended 2 minutes with entertaining news and weather, plus helpful oral care.